If your Epic Games Launcher download speed is painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix slow download speed in the Epic Games Launcher, step by step, so you can get your games downloading properly again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump straight into it. The first and most important thing to check is the download speed limit inside the launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher, then click Settings. Scroll down until you find the Download section. Here, look for the option that says Limit Download Speed. If this is turned on, it can heavily restrict how fast your games download. Turn it off completely so the launcher can use your full available internet speed. After changing this setting, it's a good idea to restart the Epic Games Launcher so the new setting fully applies. Next, make sure nothing else on your computer is using up bandwidth in the background. Close any web browsers, stop YouTube or streaming videos, and pause any other downloads that may be running. If Windows Update is downloading something in the background, pause it temporarily as well. Even one extra download can slow Epic Games down much more than you expect. Another useful fix is to set the launcher to high priority. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find EpicGamesLauncher.exe in the list of running apps or background processes. Right-click it, go to Set Priority, and choose High. This tells Windows to give the launcher more system attention, which can help improve download performance while the launcher is active. Your internet connection also matters a lot. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to an Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster connection. If you have to stay on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router and make sure the signal is strong. Weak Wi-Fi can cause slow, unstable downloads even when your internet plan is fast. You should also check if a VPN or firewall is interfering. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and test the download again. Sometimes VPNs route your traffic in a way that slows things down. Also, make sure Epic Games is allowed through your firewall, because blocked network access can impact download speed or cause the launcher to behave poorly. If the speed is still not improving, try restarting your network for a quick boost. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. You can also restart your PC at the same time for a full refresh. This often clears temporary network issues and gives you a cleaner connection to Epic servers. So to recap, the best fix is to remove the Epic Games download speed limit first, then close background usage, set the launcher priority to high, improve your connection, disable VPN issues, and restart your network. These simple steps solve slow download problems for a lot of users. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.